There is one stock that is about to skyrocket. The company is out of Silicon Valley. They have almost $1 billion in cash, and they do early stage cancer detection. They do have a partnership with Samsung, as well as a collaboration with Athena Health, which is the electronic health records software used by a lot of major hospitals in the US. So GRAIL is the ticker, GRAL. And let's jump into recent earnings. Stock had a solid earnings reaction. It's holding well. And talk about why GRAIL could go up in the near future. This is not financial advice, but I hope it helps.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
Okay, so here's that earnings. 30 million's up 25% year over year. And this detection test for cancer generated most of that money. This is a big increase in tests sold. So yeah, they're losing money. Okay, for sure. But they do have a decent runway into 2030. So I'm not expecting that anyone would hold this stock into 2030. I'm just saying that that's good news. So here's that recent earnings, that 30 million. Again, it is a company that's losing money. So they didn't lose as much as expected. So that's contributing to it going sideways. It's also instructive or reassuring that it's a cancer detecting company. So it's not, some type of drug or some type of medical device that the FDA could come out with some statement saying that they can't use the device or that the drug is harming patients. So they have a little more leeway there, and that's reassuring as an investor because, when the FDA makes a statement, which it has done recently on a couple companies like Unicure and Intella, those stocks went down significantly, and GRAIL seems to be holding up. So that is good. It's probably going to continue to hold up. I mean, the worst that could happen, I suppose, is saying that the detection doesn't work or something of that nature, or that the way that they maybe look at false positives or false negatives is not super accurate. But in any case, the chart itself looks pretty strong. It's holding up. And it's a startup, but they have a lot of money. It's gone up a lot for sure. But you could see there was an opportunity here where it built some higher lows. So there's definitely some buying happening. It's wicking down and it's getting bought around the $75 level. You can see that sort of in the chart here, right? Here's some buying here, here's some buying here, here's some buying here, and then recently. So, but all the way back to October 17th. So right here. And as this moving average catches up, I think it's going to be a pretty interesting opportunity as those converge. So it's not clear exactly when that'll happen. Depends on how this stock moves, of course, but probably in the next few days or so, it could get pretty interesting. So keep that on your radar, GRAIL. And as far as what this company does besides the test, we'll see, but this collaboration with Samsung definitely is an indication that they want to distribute the test to other countries, other continents. But as is the case with a lot of these companies, they develop out more solutions than just what they currently have. So their mission is to detect cancer early, but if you look at this description of what they're up to, it's actually a lot of stuff. So sequencing, population scale clinical studies, and then all of these software and automation, which is what the test is all about, or what it sounds like it's about. They also have this methylation-based platform. So there's a lot going on here. More than just some simple piece of technology. I mean, it basically sounds like they're building out a whole like public health unit, and the locations kind of reflect that, not just, you know, where you develop some type of medical device or cancer test in this case in Silicon Valley, but also, you know, where the government is in DC, and then North Carolina, and also the UK, where a lot of this research comes out of, actually. So it's pretty exciting. It's this amount of cash is a big green flag. If we look at sort of what else they've got going on, I mean, sure, they might sell some shares into the market to raise money. They can do that at any time. That's what at the market means when it's registered. So it's also recently registered. What this can kind of tell you is like, look, I mean, it's setting up. This dilutive instrument was registered 5 days ago. So right here. So if this makes a big move, I mean, the idea here is to basically risk a couple dollars and look for $10 or more. But if it does go up significantly, particularly with that offering ability, it's definitely good to trim some into strength, because they can definitely expand the float, the amount of shares available. And when that happens, that puts supply into the number of shares, right? That goes up. And when there's more supply, the price goes down. But right now, it looks like it's going to go up, obviously. That's why I'm mentioning it. So that's the idea. If you like these ideas, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want help, head over to stockscommunity.com. $25 intro offer for a limited time.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.